Hi, I'm Rebecca Epley, and I work at the Oakland Public Library's Diamond Branch. I want to talk to you about some weeds and herbs that may be growing in your garden and different ways that you can use them. These are all common things that you may have planted or they may have even volunteered in your garden. You just want to make sure, though, to stick to things that are in your yard and not to pick things that are growing in the driveway or on the sidewalk, because those may have animal or vehicle contaminants. So just stick to what's in your garden. We have a whole patch of lavender growing here. Lavender makes great tea. You just use the heads here and boil it in water for tea. It's also really nice to flavor drinks with lavender, and also for desserts. You can bake with it, add it to cakes and butter cookies. It makes a great butter cookie as well. So here we have dandelion. You'll recognize this by the leaves that are toothed. And then you have a flower that grows from the rosette in the center, and then of course they go to seed eventually. So when you're picking the leaves, you want to pick the ones that are closest to the center, because those are going to be the freshest. Dandelion can be a little bitter, but you can use it in salad, or you can also saute it like you would spinach, and it's a little less bitter when you saute. So here we have nettles. You want to always make sure to use gloves when working with nettles, because they have these hypodermic needles growing on the stems and on the leaves. So you want to cook them. When you cook them, that'll destroy those needles. And you can also saute these as you would with spinach. They're pot herbs, so you can use them in soups and stews as well. This is nasturtium. The nasturtium leaves are like these little umbrellas, and then the flowers grow in color. The colors ranging from a light yellow to a brighter yellow over here, and then orange. These are good. You can use the leaves or the flowers in salads. And also when they go to seed, you can use the seeds, you can pickle them and use them the way you would capers. We have a lot of mint growing here in our garden. This all just volunteered, this whole patch. Mint, the stem is always square. You can see how that's a square stem, so that's how you can identify it. You probably know that you can use the leaves for tea, just pluck them off and boil them. You can also add it to salad. It makes a nice addition to salad. And also when you're cooking meat, you can use the mint to flavor it. We also have a lot of resources at our libraries. We have books and ebooks that you can check out. We also have seed libraries. We have them at the Chavez branch, at Diamond, at Melrose, and at the African American Museum and Library, so you can check seeds out at any of those branches. We also have a gardening blog on our website that you can refer to for more information. That's updated regularly. And we also have a service called Book Me, if you'd like us to create a list for you, if you're looking for beginning gardening books. If you want something for more advanced gardeners, you can just fill out a form, let us know, and we'll create a list for you.